Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, November 15, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, November 15, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 15, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, November 15, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 14.5 million pesos for November 15, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, November 15, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.